So you sure it's a salad or a pizza?
Two onion and cucumber.
Because the lettuce you have to put in last because it will like become soggy otherwise. You'll notice the sequence also. We have learned a lot about veggies. The way you should order veggies. I remember we used to order the chicken and we used to order veggies. So I've learned veggies.
It's olive oil, right? Now we add some black peppers. It's help for digestion and it's help to absorb the nutrients. For flavor, we can add some honey. It's a lemon juice.
Oh, there is.
This salad is very good choice for weight loss. Instead of rice and roti, you can have this salad as a lunch or dinner.
Today is the chef's day in heaven because he's surrounded by all these beautiful women.
The best salad. Tomato and carrots contain carotenoids, which are very good for our eye health also. Namrata.
I think in a salad, instead of throwing everything together, if you go step by step, the whole thing comes together, as a very tasty thing at the end. And salad now is a very complicated thing. Now it's no more just, Yeah, that's boiled
Yes.
quinoa. Yes, wash it and boil many times and then it has a little thing, flat cover or something that comes up. Yeah. The iceberg lettuce.
Who are office going and try to lose their weight, it's very difficult to carry all the things separately. So it's a one pot tiffin box. We suggest for a office going person a one pot tiffin box. So you can have this.
And then have puchkas in the evening. That is allowed. Ice cream in the night. One time have this.
Recommend that?
No,
But
never.
if you go during the day, then
I'm a very tough nutritionist. I never allowed a one-day cheat day.
Not one cheating.
No.
Then they'll cheat behind your back. They'll cheat you, cheat. They'll cheat you.
Just wanna cheat yourself.
Exactly. If you're talking about
Yeah,
health,
right.
it's about you. Why do you want to cheat? That is the main question.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's your life, it's your weight loss, it's your treatment. I am not responsible for any cheat day. If you want 30 days your cheat day, it's my rules.
Exactly. Good thing. It's a good thing.
Because if I allowed a one-day cheat day, then it's a 7-day cheat day.
Exactly.
Right. You undo all the good that you have done. So there's a rule that says something you practice for 7 days, you can practice for a month. And what you practice
Yes.
for a month, you can practice for a
Chef,
year.
this is soya sauce.
And then it's a whole
No,
lifetime.
it's a vinegar.
Oh, balsamic vinegar.
Balsamic vinegar.
Yeah, I know, taste that is बहुत जरूरी है.
Fantastic.
Full actors,